Smacking for a six. Come on. Fly right. There we go. But not all the way. Yes, it is. Oh, the long on. Yeah, he sort of listened to me. He's very obedient boy. I said, come in for a six with you now, and he did. Fine shot. No chance of man at long on. Ah, was that little helicopter symbol as well?
There you go with Vista. A big, huge hoik into the stands. It's amazing how he plays this shot. Comes right inside the line of the ball and just gives it direction. Superb coordination of Hangman.
Pressure now on the fielding side. Slower one. That's the huge one again. That's massive.
Look at that strike. Oh, right in the middle of the bat. Tremendous power. Tremendous power.
I just heard someone say, Parker, you beauty.
There you go, Shreyas there, wanted strike, and this is exact reason why he wanted to come back on strike.
Right in the middle of the plate. Gives the direction, but what power. Look at the power in that shot.
This is special. This is really special. T20 Mumbai at its best. Six! That's another six! Oh my, oh boy! He wanted a last ball finisher. He wanted the match to go to a result on the last ball of the 40th over. And here we are, the last ball of the 40th over. Still no winner.
A lot of pace, works very hard, but I wonder if he has the variety. There he is again! Swings it over, long leg for six. Back to back. Deshpande is a worried bowler.
Terrific shot there, terrific shot there by Sujit Nayak. Glimpses of Yuvraj Singh in it. Wow, what a shot.
Hasn't he played magnificently?
Do we have another one here? Get a feeling it just might be another one. Yes, it is well caught, young man. It's another six.
That was a Surya Kumar special. We talk about the scoop shot. This is the shot that brought him into the limelight. We've seen him play in the IPL, and now he's bringing it out here for the Triumph Nights. That's trademark Surya Kumar Yadav.